What's up, boys? It's cold as balls outside. It's like 38 degrees in Louisiana, and for those that don't know, for Louisiana, that's very cold. Last winter, I think the coldest it got was like the high 40s. Snow's very rare. Okay, I've seen snow like 3 or 4 times in my life. Just look at me, look at the fit. We got the black on black, you know what I'm saying? I wear this because unfortunately, you know, our school system sucks cock, and we're not allowed to wear hoodies for whatever reason. All right, boys, I'm gonna be filming a Q&A this video, so you know, just answering some questions that anybody have. I posted something on my Instagram story saying to slide up with questions. I woke up hella early. I woke up at like 4 and I just chilled there on my phone and didn't go back to sleep. My hair is getting hard because it's wet and it's like so fucking cold out here. Anyways, beautiful sunrise. Look at that. Came out here to do the intro because I love cold weather, man. I'm such a cold weather person. I don't really like the summer, okay? Cold weather. It's so much more of a vibe, too. I know I'm not the only one that thinks that. It's so much more of a vibe when it's cold. Anyways, just conversating a little bit before school, you know, get me in a little good mood because I dread this shit. I hate school more than anything, for those that don't know me. I think it's useless and I think it's pointless. I think it could be better, but just the stuff that they teach us is just not beneficial. I hope y'all enjoy hearing me talk shit, okay? Because that's truly how I feel. I'm ready to work out, okay? I had my rest day yesterday, but there's just those nights where you're just itching to hit a lift. That's why in the future, I'm gonna make sure I have a home gym, okay? I know it costs a fortune. I also need to go to the store today and, you know, restock the fridge with the bodybuilding foods that I need. Take y'all with me on that. You know, you get to see what the big boy eats. I was about to make me a bowl of oatmeal, then I realized we're out of fucking milk, so. I was just talking with you boys before I head to school, so I'll see you afterwards, all right? Alright, boys, so we're filming a Q&A. I posted some questions on Instagram, and some people slid up asking some questions, so we're about to answer them. By the way, I hope y'all are enjoying this style of video that I made. I want to switch up my style of video a little bit, you know, like putting a little bit more effort into the editing. I like the way that this video is put together more than any other video on my channel. So anyways, I put up on Instagram that I was doing a Q&A for YouTube. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Go follow all of my social medias down in the description below, as well as my TikTok, Snapchat, all that good stuff. I'm gonna start off with the first one. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? That is a great question. Well, in 5 years, I see myself still grinding out content to the best of my ability. Who knows, maybe your boy will have like a family channel in 5 years. Who knows, in the future, we might be vlogging a little swole-ass baby running around. See myself making money. To be honest, to give you the real answer, I see content creation working for me. I feel like in 5 years from now, I'm going to be able to make a living off of it. Now, I'm a big believer in the power of your mind, okay? I believe that your mindset can take you a very long way. I believe that manifestation can take you a very long way. If you have a goal set in your head and you have something that you're trying to achieve in your head and all you're doing is whatever it takes to get to that point, then it's almost like you can't fail. I've been doing this for a while. I wouldn't say it's completely worked out yet. I'm not doing it for nothing, okay? I do it because I love it. I enjoy it. I love putting out content. I love entertaining people. And in the long run, it might just work out. Yeah, if you do it for the clout or for the money or whatever, then you don't truly love it. Spend my time doing this for 10, 20, 100,000, a million viewers, it doesn't matter, man. I like doing it, okay? It makes me happy. What's your favorite muscle group to work? That is also a good question. I was hoping somebody asked this. Pretty basic answer. My favorite muscle group to train is chest, but that's kind of ironic considering it's my weak point. I feel like my chest and my core are definitely my weak points. Arms and legs, definitely a strong point. I like my shoulders. I have pretty broad shoulders. And I actually have a fat ass, for those wondering. But yeah, I like training chest. Just kind of annoying that my chest will not grow whatsoever. It's grown a little bit, but it's like, man, I trained chest for like 3 times a week for the longest, and it still took forever for me to make some good, decent gains that I can see. Are you on a cycle? Now, obviously, I saw this coming. I'm all about transparency. Obviously, there's going to be people that don't believe me. I know how it works. I don't care. If I were to ever hop on gear, the first people to know would be everybody watching this video. You all will be completely aware if I decide to hop on gear. As for now, I'm a lifelong natural. I've never touched anything. I've never touched any growth hormone, no SARMs, steroids, none of that. I don't even take pre-workout, my G. Obviously, my physique isn't the best, but I'm all about putting on mass while I'm young. The aesthetics can wait, bro. That can wait. Once you get to your 20s and then you get all shredded and stuff, you're just gonna be like, dang, like, I really wish I had the time to put on mass. So yeah, put on mass the best that you can while you're young. The time will come to shred. But I weighed in at 201 pounds last night. I've been bulking pretty hard these past couple months. I think I started the bulk at like 178 and we're at 200 now. So we're doing pretty good. I think I'm ready to lean out a little bit. Not too much, but I feel like I put on a little bit too much body fat than I wanted. So I think it's time to take off a little bit of excess fat, you know, start doing cardio again. Still keep the protein extremely high, obviously. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. Okay, I turned 18 August 4th. I was born August 4th, 2004. So yeah, I turned 19 August 4th, 2023. I'm a youngin'. I know people tell me it all the time. I'm a senior in high school still. I just got back from school. And one thing about me is I hate school literally more than anything. There's nothing in this world that I dislike more than school. But yeah, it's pretty exciting being 18. It's not the funnest, I'd say. There's nothing to do out where I live. So I don't do anything but work out and make YouTube videos. I say this all the time, but I always end up procrastinating. I need to start going out to Houston more, which I will do. I promise you I'm going to start doing. It's not the easiest because I'm by myself. I'm only 18. I have to find hotel rooms that'll let me in. You know, I have to see. Just staying there by myself is sketchy, bro. But you know, there's no excuses. We gotta do what we gotta do. You consider yourself a powerlifter or a bodybuilder? I would consider myself like more of a bodybuilder, but like I do both. I don't train for strength. That's why I say I lean more towards a bodybuilder. You know, I enjoy lifting heavy shit. I enjoy bench, squat, deadlifts. I enjoy all of it. But you know, strength isn't like a main priority for me. I don't really focus on being strong. I try to focus more on looking good, you know, not like completely aesthetic, but like I just want to be big, bro. So I really just train to be an absolute monster for my age and size. You know what I'm saying? Do you have a girlfriend? No. When did you lose your V card? A long time ago. What are your PRs? My PR for squat is a 405. It moved pretty good. My bench PR is 240. and my deadlift is 435. I know, could be a lot better, but like I said, I don't train for strength. Now, don't get me wrong, I could be a lot stronger, okay? I have easy access to great coaches in my area. All right, I'm gonna answer one more because I only got like 8 questions, and I need to go inside and edit this video and get it up for you boys. What is your height and weight? I'm 5'11", 200 pounds currently. I tell people I'm 6 foot because why would I say 5'11"? When I could just say 6 foot. So, but yeah, I'm a big boy. All right, people tell me I'm a lot bigger in person, which I think is an amazing compliment if you're in the fitness industry. All right, anyways, boys, I appreciate you all watching this video. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this style of video. I'm gonna try to make all of my videos like this style. It's only gonna go up from here, okay? The video quality is never going to decrease. So I'm putting a lot of work in, working my ass off on these videos. Everybody watching, subscribe. All right, turn on post notifications. You'll be notified every time I post. Like the video. Drop a comment, tell me what y'all want to see, and I got you. And yeah, like I said, the videos are only going to get better from here. Really hope y'all like it because, like I said, I edit my own videos, okay? I don't have any assistance with any of them. I do everything myself, and I really try hard on it. So I appreciate y'all watching the video. Tune into the next one. Tons of video ideas coming. And, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. See you in the next one. Toodles. Mwah.